On March 16, 1521, when Magellan was discovered by Philippines, they were sailing day and night across the big island until they saw Ismoli Matsawa Ocean. Magellan landed in Olongapo City to get some burikat. They were very happy. But accidentally, Magellan he got sick because he's playing with the high voltage lady. When Lapu-Lapu came to rescue, he boarded an airplane from Cebu. And when he saw Magellan on his bed, he cried and cried, and then he said, "Mitulo na, mitulo na. Bakit pare mitulo na?" Ang sagot niya kay Lapu-Lapu, "Nagpaparaos lang ako. What can I do? What can I do, baby? Kung may herpes ka, pare ko, oh, help me, darling, if I'm wrong. Tambaliking mga kalam. My love, kaluya ka."